Over the years, I have read about many rules related to studying or learning, like the 80-20 rule or the 70-20-10 rule or the 10,000 hours rule. But there are two rules which I think will genuinely help you learn anything better and retain your information for long without burning out. I have been following these rules as a med student and it has helped me learn not only faster but also better. The first one is the 2x2 sessions rule. When you learn any new material or topic, the learning must take place over 2 sessions that spans over at least 2 days. The first session is where you read the material, understand it, create notes and learn the stuff. Preferably the learning session should be about 2 hours followed by the breaks. The second session should take place at least after 2 days. This is the session where you actively recall the content you have learned 2 days back. Here you take a piece of paper or a book and start to scribble down every single thing which you remember from the back of your mind. Once that is done, you go back to the literature and review the material so as to fill the gaps to complete your learning. This is how you can actively engage your brain to help retain your information in the long-term memory. The next rule is the 2x2 resource rule. For studying any topic or subject, it is always preferred to limit yourself to 2 resources or 2 books. Do not study the same material from multiple books, especially if you are preparing for a competitive examination or an entrance examination. Plus, for effective studying, it is important for you to switch between 2 subjects occasionally. The reason being is that if you stick for a single subject or a topic for so long, you will eventually suffer from an information overload and your mind will start to drain. So it's better to switch to a new subject or a new topic after a few days and then come back to your initial subject later. So that's 2 rules for learning in under 2 minutes. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.